If your Bluetooth device is not showing up on your iPhone 17 series, follow these steps to fix it. First, make sure the Bluetooth accessory you are trying to connect is actually in pairing mode. Most devices require pressing and holding a dedicated pairing button until the light or indicator shows it's discoverable. If it still does not appear on your iPhone, first restart the phone by quickly pressing volume up, then volume down, and finally pressing and holding the side button until the screen turns off and Apple logo appears. If the issue continues, your Bluetooth device may already be paired to something else, so try resetting that device. Once reset, it should show up on your iPhone automatically. Next, check if content and privacy restrictions are interfering. For that, head back to the main page of settings, scroll down and click on the option screen time. Now navigate to the option content and privacy restrictions. Ensure Bluetooth sharing is not blocked or simply turn off restrictions entirely. If the device still won't appear, test another Bluetooth accessory. If the second device works, the problem is with the original accessory, not your iPhone. But if your iPhone cannot detect any device at all, it might be a hardware issue. You can check this by entering diagnostic mode, turn off your iPhone, hold both volume buttons, and while holding them, plug in the charging cable until the Apple logo appears. In diagnostic mode, disconnect the cable, tap continue, connect to Wi-Fi and run diagnostic. If the Bluetooth report shows an error, your iPhone likely needs repair. If everything is green, exit diagnostic by tapping three dots and selecting exit. Once the phone restarts, try resetting network settings or all settings. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.